Okay, YouTube, this is the hill in question. Pleasant View Road, where it meets Windermere Road. Now, as you can see, hold on. Now, as you can see, where a lot of people have said, oh, this is an optical illusion. The road appears to go downhill, but it actually goes uphill. No, that is down, and the road clearly goes up. It's not an optical illusion. The road goes downward. However, there is a grade to the road over here on this side, and especially on this side right here, where the road cants at a level like this. It's not straight, it cants. You can see that, and you can see where Windermere Road comes down at an angle right there. So there's no optical illusion about it. The road is going downhill. However, it tilts like this, which is what causes your car to actually go backwards. It tilts like this. It's centered in the road. Well, it's not flat in the road. And then it tilts down like this on the other side. Okay, this is Windermere Road. And this is Pleasant View Road. And this is Windermere and the slope, the degree of slope that it has. If you were to look at a flat version or a flat view of Pleasant View Road, where it meets Windermere Road, it has a downward curve or downward slope on the right hand side of the road and a very severe one on the left hand side of the road where it meets Windermere Road. The intersection here where Windermere and Pleasant View meet, because of the crown of the road, it creates two low spots, here and here, with this being the crown or the crest of the road. Now, if you're sitting in your car and you're at the intersection, again, Windermere Road, Pleasant View Road, and you're to let off, if you were to put the car in neutral or let off the brakes, both really, the car goes seemingly backwards up the hill. But what is actually happening is that because of this low spot here and the center and the mass of the car being so large, it's actually straddling a part of the crown of the road, and it's going backwards towards this ditch. It's being pulled harder back towards the ditch than this way, and that's what makes it seem like it's going up the hill, is that it's actually being pulled back towards this ditch. If you let go of the steering wheel, it'll go in this direction, this way. If you hold the steering wheel straight, it'll still go this way for a short distance until the center mass of the car no longer overcomes the slope of this ditch. The same would happen on this side, where this area is here. If you let go of the steering wheel, you would be drastically pulled right into there. Now, this is an exaggerated, very exaggerated version of the hill. But if you were able to look at the crown of the road, the left side of the road, and the right side of the road, they would be much different profiles. Let's say this, the center would be the crown of the road. The right side of the road would look like this in comparison. And that's why you can see that the car on the flat portion of the hill, the car would be pulled backwards here towards this empty space here, which is the difference in slope between the crown of the road and the right hand side of the road. If you were to look at the left hand side of the road, it's not nearly as drastic at the level, but much different towards the top. So that's why the gravity hill works the way it works. It's not, again, an optical illusion. It's not any form of mysticism or ghost or spiritualism. It's not a matter of opinion, and it's certainly not an optical illusion. It's science. It's mass over slope over distance. Now, I'm not a scientist, so that might not be the exact equation, but those are the three factors in play, are mass, slope, and distance. And obviously there are other factors like weight and, things like that. But that's the reason the gravity hill works the way it does.